Brett Bolton's Natural Max Hair Vitamin is for men and women who want better overall health and vitality for their hair. Dr. Bolton is a hair restoration specialist who has been in medical practice for over 20 years and has solely focused on hair. Max Hair, his unique formulation of natural vitamins and herbs that help prevent hair loss, stabilizes and strengthens hair quality while speeding up natural hair growth cycles. Max Hair makes your hair more resilient, thicker, shiny, and beautiful in appearance, helps prevent breakage and split ends, and in many cases has helped regrow hair follicles to their original quality. Natural and safe Max Hair gives you the beautiful hair you desire. Max Hair, for everyone who seeks a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance to his or her hair. Order yours today.
Okay, so we just got through harvesting Adrien's donor. I just fit all the anesthesias in, and we made all the initial sites where the grafts are going to go. How are you feeling?
Super great.
How does this compare to your FUE procedure?
Super different. The FUE is super tedious. Right now it's very nice.
So was there more pain with the FUE?
More pain.
With the FUE? Okay. So this was easier?
Super easy.
Okay, excellent. So we did the Max Harvest Plus hair transplant. We were able to get Adrien about 80 square centimeters of hair. So I was able to fill his entire area. You can see the initial slits. These are where we put the tiny little one hair grafts all the way around the front. We build behind that with the follicular units behind that. And then we put those multiple follicular grafts all the way through the center and into the crown. So if you look back here, you'll see we have the pattern made out where we're going to fill his entire head from front to back. The suture line closed beautifully. You can see it on the sides here. The beautiful closure. He had excellent elasticity. He's been a great patient. Everything's going perfect. So far we've been in the OR approximately maybe about 2.5, 3 hours tops, and everything's just going perfect. Is there anything you'd like to say to the camera?
Yes, remember, when you are a great patient, great result.
Excellent.